Hey there, it's me, Teacher Aryan. PSLE oral examinations could be the most nerve-wracking experience. However, there are ways to prepare yourself, so here are some tips that can help you ace the exams. Number 1, find facts and opinions. Read voraciously. Be hungry for knowledge. This is the most classic and effective way for retaining useful vocabulary in your mind. At the same time, you get to be updated with the latest issues and trends in Singapore. Here are some ways to keep yourself informed. Read blogs that can help you understand different opinions. And listen to podcasts when you're traveling. Play a podcast in the background and practice active listening and mindful thinking. Additionally, having a wide range of vocabulary will help you become more eloquent. It's a way to feed your brain so that it stays healthy and so you don't get episodes of mental block. With a good bank of vocabulary, you can formulate your ideas better, phrase your thoughts fluently, and express yourself in the most confident way. Number 2, replace fillers with pauses. You will sound more confident if you veer away from the like fillers. Fillers may give us a moment to collect our thoughts before we continue our speech. However, this may cause more disruption than good. If you lose your train of thoughts, a pause gives you time to get back on track. Just make sure that it's not going to take too long. Your audience will not hold it against you. Do not be afraid to take a moment of silence. For example, instead of I think the most important technology is the internet. Strategically use silence. For example, in my opinion, the most important technology is the internet. It helps us gather information, connect to people from all parts of the world, and make daily transactions such as bills payment, online banking, and shopping. Easy and efficient. Aside from the suspense you've created, you sounded sure of your answer and you emphasized on your points. Most importantly, you gave some time for the interviewer to absorb your answer. It's a win-win situation. Number 3, simulate and record. This is something that you can do with a friend. When you simulate the oral exam, it gets easier on the big day. Speak in front of someone with questions being thrown at you. You'll see how your eyes wander when you're thinking, how much fillers you use, how you project your voice, how your posture looks like, and a lot more. With recording at your hand, you let yourself be your own judge by watching it afterwards. The key is to address, accept, and correct those factors. You'll be surprised by the improvements later on. For more practical tips, don't forget to like and subscribe to get notified on the latest updates about PSLE. You might as well share this to your friend and help them get full marks too. That's it for today. Until next time, bye!